In this video, we will be discussing how to log on to SalesForce and how to enter a lead. A lead is any opportunity that might be found from the outside that has not been qualified by a sales rep as far as the true nature of the opportunity, whether it's a good opportunity for full tilt reps to go after, or it's just a lead that's out there in the database to be followed up on. So as we get to logging in, this is the login screen, and it's for the full tilt wraps version of Salesforce. I put in my username, which is the email address, my email address for full tilt wraps, and my password. Once I select login, I'll be taken to the front screen. You'll notice on the interface as it pops up, it'll come to a dashboard that I have set up that lets me see my opportunities, those opportunities that are current for me, and then some dashboard items about how many open projects we have, what stages of those projects are in, who has them opened, who owns them, usually the sales rep that's responsible for those. How many of each designer, how many projects do they have open? How many projects do we have by sales lead, and open projects by estimator? Those are the three major categories of users in the system. And at this point in time, I'll notice that up at the very top of the screen next to the Full Tilt Wraps logo are the home screen, leads that we'll be talking about, accounts, contacts, opportunities, projects, reports, dashboards, our ability to chatter amongst one another, and tasks and products, as well as Conga Sign transactions. We're using Conga Sign in our customer contracts and agreements to actually use electronic digital signatures. There's also a files, which is where all of the files that we use within Salesforce, where they reside. At this time, I'll go back as we talked about, and I'll select leads. As I said before, a lead is anything that we see. You snap a picture of a truck with a poor wrap on it that you think maybe we ought to be calling them. You would bring that in, and one of the sales reps could then come here and add a new lead. By selecting new, it's going to pop up the window for the lead. You'll notice the asterisks. The asterisks are the things that actually have to be put in. So in this case, I have to put a lead status, but it defaults to new. That status can either be new, working, closed, or lost. In this case, it's a new lead. I can put in the salutations, Mr., Mrs., Doctor, whatever, in that case. First name, if I know it. So this is John. I don't need a middle name, but I do need a last name. And if I don't know the last name, I will typically use unknown. I'll use that so I know that I don't know that, but we have to put that in, which indicates to me that I need to put that in. I need to find out if I believe it's John, or if it's unknown, I can put a first name unknown, and that will show up unknown. In this case, I'll say that indeed I know it's John Doe. I don't know his suffix. I saw on the back of the truck that I took the picture of that it was Doe Brothers Furniture. That is really, I can then come in and put the industry type if I know that it's something along the idea in this case of Doe Brothers Furniture. Don't have to, but I can come in and put furniture store as the industry. I don't know anything yet about it. I just saw the picture. I didn't see an address, so I'm going to save this as a lead. You'll notice up at the top that lead John Doe was created. And here is the screen for John Doe. So as the sales rep now gets this and can start working on it, he or she can come in and fill in information after they go to the website for Doe Brothers Furniture, find out some contact information, what the main phone number is, maybe a business email, information that we would want to be used in qualifying this lead. That's all that it takes to actually get to a lead. The next video will discuss how we go about converting a lead once we realize that it is indeed an opportunity. We'll bring it over and make an account out of it. That's all for this video.